All right, good morning to you once again from the Storm Alert Center. Daniel Wilson in the studio this morning. Storm anchor Keith Richardson reporting in from south of Danville said torrential rainfall, pea-sized hail, and strong gusty winds are now occurring in Boyle County, mainly south of Danville, near Junction City. We've had a lot of people ask about particular areas this morning. A lot of text messages and calls. We're going to give you the latest warnings of where everything is headed, and that way you can be kind of knowledgeable. We have a storm warning that's in effect for northern central Lincoln, eastern Mercer, Woodford, Garrett, Clark, Jessamine, northeastern Boyle, Madison, and southern Fayette. That is in effect until 9:45 this morning. We also have another severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect until 8:15 this morning, about another couple of minutes. That will be over for Washington and East Central Mercer County. And this will be allowed to expire at 9:15 Eastern Time this morning. The severe thunderstorm warning for LaRue County Okay, we're having now a report out of Casey County, Nifley Fire Department reporting 20 to 30 miles an hour winds in northern Adair County. We appreciate that report this morning. Again, Nifley Fire reporting around 15 to 20 miles an hour wind gust in that area. Storm warning will remain in effect until 9:15 a.m. Eastern, 8:15 Central. That'll be for southeastern Greene, southern Marion, Taylor, southwestern Boyle, western Casey, and northern Adair. And again, that should be expiring very soon. Looking a little bit closer at the radar, you can see just to the north of Nifley, moving into the western part of Casey County, this area of hail that's expected to move into Casey County, just to the west of Clementsville and to the west of Liberty. Some of the areas included Dry Creek Road, Gum Lick Road, the Hestel Ewing Road, Casey Creek, Caney Fork, Tennessee Ridge, all up around the Apostolic Ridge Road. Those are the areas that should be seeing the potential for very, very heavy rainfall and the likelihood of some larger hail. Again, this is for western Casey County. And as you can see now, the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect has been allowed to expire. So now there's no warnings in effect except the tornado warning that's in effect for southeastern Mercer and that northern part of Boyle County. Storm warning that's in effect for, let's see, the closest area would be eastern Mercer, and that's moving out of our coverage area. So We do not have a storm warning in effect for Casey County. That's been allowed to expire. But if one is reissued, we will be live here to tell you about it. Again, that's primarily for the western part of Casey County. Larger hail and torrential rainfall can be expected. If a storm warning is reissued for Casey County, we'll be back and let you know about it. But we're going to end weather coverage this morning. Appreciate everybody for joining us. Sorry about being a little bit hoarse today. I think some of the allergies and that type of thing kind of played havoc this morning, but we feel fine. We'll be watching everything, and we'll keep you updated and informed as we go throughout the day. One of the things that we will remind everyone of the latest watches that are in effect, and all of these areas are under a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until noon today. And all of this graphic is on our page. It's basically Casey, Russell, Adair, Clinton, and Cumberland. Points to the north, a large part of Kentucky, now under severe thunderstorm watches, and you can tell where they are located on the map. This is in effect until 12 noon, 1 o'clock Eastern Time. So thanks everybody for joining us.